Hello guys. Today dish was rice and peas, some may say rice and beans, brown stew chicken, some raw vegetable along with some pear. And most might know pear as avocado. We usually use red kidney bean or gongo peas to make our rice and peas, but today I've decided that I'm using pinto beans. So, yes, I had pinto beans with jasmine rice with some coconut milk, along with brown stew chicken. Some may know this chicken as fricassee chicken or country style chicken or home style chicken. We have a lot of names for this chicken, but I rather call it brown stew because I think you brown the chicken first and then stew it down. So it's just a preference. To the chicken, I add carrot and cabbage. Most would add Irish potato, but I didn't have any Irish potatoes, so I just went with what I had. Along with some raw vegetable, which is consist of carrot, cabbage, a little bit of vinegar, and a little bit of sugar, with some avocado. In Jamaica, we call this pear. So this was my dinner. It was delicious, and thanks for watching. And I will post that recipe soon. So hope you enjoy this meal. Have a great day. Bye.